is a very important thing in life, because no school or no university, if without a sports ground, without a ground, is complete. So I always urge people, when a lot of people open big universities and schools, I always tell them that you must have a ground, so that sports also is very, very important. Because I think if you see, there are 2 or 3 players who, when I was a captain, we played, they were engineers, I think they really, did study also and play also. I think it's very, very important for me, and I think education is very, very important, although I come from the sports field. But one time I was really, when I was in college, I was playing well, but in those times, all these banks and different clubs and different institutions used to take for employment. That time, I was doing well, but when they came, I was offered a job in State Bank of India. Ultimately, I did join the bank in '83, but when they came to my grandfather and they asked him, because we want to take your child, your grandson into the bank, my grandfather said, my grandson is still in the 2nd year of university, and he said, unless my grandson is educated, is not a human being in front of me. So he declined that, and then I was happy. I was happy that I did my education. I did the BCom degree. I also did get a admission in MBA, but then with cricket it was very, very difficult for me to continue to do that. But I'm very happy today that I'm standing here among so many great people here. I think the staff and students of the Jamia Hamdard, the Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor, I think they've done an outstanding job, taking the university to the Jamia Hamdard where it is today. And I sincerely hope and pray that you all have more of these Jamia Hamdards all over the country, and maybe you can also be helpful, going abroad also to take this to the whole of world. I think your contribution to the country is outstanding and excellent. I am very glad that I was able to come here today.